In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to hide your phone number with WhatsApp username. You can completely hide your mobile phone number from your new contacts by setting up a unique WhatsApp username in your profile settings, allowing your handle to serve as a public ID. While your phone number remains strictly required behind the scenes for account registration and device verification, strangers and new connections will only see your username during chats. To set it, navigate to the You page, then go to the option account, click on username. At the moment, it's being rolled out, so you are able to reserve a username, or also you can use the username from Instagram or the Facebook account. If you want to create new one, click on create username, type in the username for your WhatsApp account and click on save. After you set it now, people will be able to access you just by using your username instead of the phone number in the WhatsApp. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.